Corporate due diligence is a filter which any prospective investor would use to filter you out or to make you join his ecosystem or they join your ecosystem. That is the advantage of corporate due diligence, or that is the threat which a corporate due diligence to create any one of here. Let me explain you are the 5 types of corporate due diligence that any investor would do. First thing is financial and tax due diligence, and the second is legal and compliance due diligence. Third is operational due diligence. Fourth is IT due diligence. And the fifth, it is the environmental and social governance due diligence that any investor would do in their businesses. So when you go through all these 5 stages of your corporate due diligence, it is not just the assessment of the investor or the prospective investor but for most of the management or the founders or the promoters, it is an icebreaker or eye opener for those guys where they stand. When they understand where they stand in terms of this due diligence, then they will realize what should be the process that should be implemented in their business to run their business in such a way that it should stand as a role model to all their industry peers. That is where this due diligence will help all of us to understand what has to be in our business or what should be the blood of our business to make it grow more efficiently. If at all your due diligence activity fails, there can be a severe haircut in your valuation of the business, which is not good for any entity, or which will significantly slow down your growth process or anything that can be possible to hit in your business. This is the severity of the due diligence. That's why all of us should make sure that we are having appropriate practices implemented in our business. Make sure that you are compliant with all the possible laws and regulations to the best extent possible. I don't say you need to be foolproof 100%, but yes, to the extent possible, you need to be compliant in all the regulatory aspects. We just have to make sure due diligence is called DD in corporate world. We just have to make sure that that does not become a doomsday. That is also a DD.